Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to upgrade the sand sculpture hobby in Heartopia. So Heartopia now has a brand new hobby that called sand sculpture, and just like the other hobbies, it has its own level system on here. Like this, you can see it. The maximum level is level 5, and every time you level up, you will unlock new sculpture designs and then improve the quality of your sand sculpture on here. You can see it. And then to upgrade, you will need a special sand sculpture upgrade ticket like this. And unlike the other hobbies, this one uses a different upgrade ticket. You can only buy it from the NPC Azure. And then its ticket will cost 50 wishing star, which is quite expensive. So make sure you have enough wishing star before deciding to focus on this hobby. And then once you have the ticket, just open this hobby menu and then just make sure your points bar on here already full, and then after that just simply the hobby upgrade on here, but make sure you already have the upgrade ticket. And then next just tap on it, and then next just tap on confirm like this. And just like that, that's how you can upgrade the sand sculpture hobby in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.